Welcome. Welcome dear student in one another session. Myself Darshana Sandeep Shinde and our today's discussion topic is psychopharmacological agents. So let's start our session. Learning outcomes of this session. In this session, students should be able to understand what is the classification of psychopharmacological agents, or it is also known as the psychotropic drugs. Then tranquilizers, the concept of tranquilizers, the classification of tranquilizers, and anti anxiety agents. Let's start our session. First of all, we see what is meant by brain. Brain is the vital part of the every human being. It is supposed to carry out the different functions such as perception of the environmental stimuli, analysis of the received information, and the formation of the reaction pattern. Beside above function, it is also responsible for actual behavioral responses. The neurology or neurophysiology of mentally ill patient is not clearly known. The classification of psychopharmacological agent or psychotropic agents is these are mainly divided into three actions. First of all, tranquilizer or psycholeptics. Psycholeptics is further divided into major tranquilizers or psycholeptics. Example of its phenothiazine, reserpine, haloperidol. Then tranquilizers secondly divided into minor tranquilizer or anti-anxiety agents. Example of its benzodiazepine and meprobamate. Then second part of the psychopharmacological agent is antidepressant or psychoanalytics. Example of it MAO inhibitor and cyclic compounds. And third part of psychopharmacological agent is LSDs and mescalines. Let's see one by one. First of all, we see tranquilizers. In the tranquilizer, first of all, we see the major tranquilizers. Example of its phenothiazine. Let's see the pharmacological action of the phenothiazines. First, pharmacological action on the behavioral effects. In the patient with the major psychosis, it produces the psychomotor, slowing the emotional quieting, diminution of the initiative and anxiety without affecting wakefulness. The drug produces antipsychosis effect by blocking the receptor of dopamine and non-epinephrine in the brain. It gets the concentrated in the different part of the brain. But antipsychotic action is due to the competitive blockage of dopaminergic receptor in the limbic system. Then antiemetic action, it depresses the chemoreceptor trigger zone in the medulla and thus act as a powerful antiemetic. Autoimmune nervous system effects, it has a central depressant action on the hypothalamic center controlling the sympathetic activity. Then on the cardiovascular system, it produces the hypotension. Phenothiazine produces the hypotension because the depression of the hypothalamus leading to the decrease its sympathetic tone. Adverse effect of phenothiazine. The most troublesome side effect observed with the antipsychotic agents are extrapyramidal effects. These include the Parkinsonian symptoms like the tremors, muscular rigidity, weakness of the motor function. During the initiation therapy, phenothiazines may cause the drowsiness and fatigue. Blood decreases occur rarely. Decreases means a lowering level of the oxygen in the blood. Hypotension, tachycardia, fainting, dizziness may also occur. Dry mouth and constipation are other frequent side effects of phenothiazine. Therapeutic uses of phenothiazine. It acts act as an antipsychotic agent. It is used in the treatment of psychomotor agitation associated with the various types as the schizophrenia, mania. It removes many schizophrenic symptoms such as the hallucination, then delusion, etc. It acts as an antiemetic. It is used to control the nausea and vomiting. Certain drugs and motion sickness also. Then it acts as a pre-anesthetic medications. Then second drug is reserpine. Reserpine is central antipsychotic action are similar to those of the phenothiazine. It causes the depletion of the serotonin and catecholamines from the brain and peripheral sites. The depletion of the catecholamine from the brain responsible for its tranquilizing action. Its clinical use is limited due to the main reason like severe mental depression, the side effect resulting in the suicidal tendency, and it is less effective than the phenothiazine. Then haloperidol. It controls effectively the agitated state with the psychic behavior such as the schizophrenia and mania. The exact mechanism of action is not known of haloperidol. They differ from the chlorpromazine in producing the little sensation extrapyramidal reaction but favor autonomic side effects because it has a little anticholinergic and also fewer alpha adrenergic blocking action. Thus, it is an excellent alternative to the phenothiazine for the patient who are resistant to the phenothiazines or allergic or suffer intolerable adverse effect from the phenothiazine. Then minor tranquilizers are also known as the anti-anxiety agents. Example of its benzodiazepam pharmacological action. Chlordiazepoxide is a tranquilizer which has a great extent replaced the meprobamate. It is a chemically unrelated to the other minor tranquilizers. Animal studies have shown that chlordiazepoxide has a sedative, anticonvulsant and skeletal muscle relaxant property. It is rapidly absorbed from the gastrointestinal tract and peak blood levels are reached within the 2 to 4 hours. The drug is excreted very slowly and its plasma half-life is about 20 to 24 hours. Therapeutic uses of it. Chlordiazepoxide appear to be useful for sympathetic relief of the anxiety associated with the various psychoneurotic or psychophysiologic disorders. Although it can also reduce the anxiety of psychosis. It has no specific usefulness in the management of psychotic patient. It has been given in a large dose, 75 to 100 mg a day as a prophylaxis in a migraine. Chlordiazepoxide may be effective in the treatment of acute symptoms of the alcohol withdrawal. Then adverse effect of it. The most frequently observed adverse effect of chlordiazepoxide are drowsiness, ataxia and lethargy. Syncope has occurred with the administration of the large dose. These effects are specially concerned in the aged and debilitated patients. Paradoxical reactions of range, excitement, stimulation, hostility, confusion, then depressionalization have also been reported with this drug. Then meprobamate. Meprobamate is a highly effective anti-anxiety agent and mild skeletal muscle relaxant. It acts on various components of CNS, produce the mild sedation and relaxation. It is indicated for the relief of the anxiety, tension, anxious tense patient. Meprobamate is of a little value in the treatment of the psychosis. Meprobamate is given in the dose of 0.2 to zero point 0.4 gram 3 or 4 times in a day. Tolerance develops rapidly. A physical dependence may be developed for the drug if it is taken for the prolonged periods. Withdrawal symptoms appear in 95% of the patients when the drug is discontinued. Convulsions, delirium, then grand mal seizures may be precipitated on the withdrawal of the drug. Can only be arrested by the readministration of the drug. Meprobamate behave like a barbiturates in this respect. Antidepressant or psychoanalytics. Classification of antidepressants. Antidepressant can be classified into following three groups. Monoamino oxidase, that is MAO inhibitor or isocarbazole. Tricyclic compounds, example of it decipramine, amitriptyline, then lithium carbonate. Monoamino oxidase inhibitor. These drugs block the oxidative deamination of naturally occurring amine. Mechanism of action. The enzyme MAO is present intracellulary in the most of the tissue. It is an important function to oxidize the active biogenic amines like 5-HT, that is 5-hydroxytryptamine, non-adrenaline, dopamine in the inactive compounds. These amines are normally stored in the granule in the neuron and are liberated by the neurostimuli. MAO inhibitors inhibit the enzyme, lead to the accumulation of the amide in the brain. This accumulation is associated with the excitement and enhance the motor activity. MAO inhibitors are not only inhibit the MAO but also inhibit the certain extent other enzymes like the histaminase. Pharmacological action. Central nervous system on action. These drugs elevate the mood of depressed individuals. Such as subjects feel more erratic, less sleepy, and more fresh. Tendency for the suicidal intention is markedly diminished. On cardiovascular system, MAO inhibitors like the pergalin exert a hypotensive effect. Other actions. MAO inhibitors potentiate the sympathomimetic action on the other amine like the amphetamine and ephedrine. Adverse effects of it include it may causes the central nervous system stimulation characterized by tremors, restlessness, insomnia, and even convulsions. Other effects like the micturition, constipation, dry mouth, blood vision. A serious side effect is MAO hepatic toxicity. Then tricyclic antidepressants, in that these compounds inhibit the reuptake of the non-ephedrine and serotonin adrenergic neurons. These compounds may be subdivided into tertiary amines and secondary amines one. These compounds are more specially effective in the treatment of the indigenous depression. Combination therapy will be the phenothiazine or lithium carbonate may be beneficial in the treatment of the depression or schizophrenia or severe one. Then pharmacological action, behavioral effect. Its antidepressant effect similar to the MAO. Then on central nervous system, it resembles the phenothiazine in action of the CNS. A single dose causes the drowsiness, feeling of a light headache, also some sedation action, enhance the sleep. It also lower the seizures threshold, should be cautiously prescribed in the patient of the schizophrenia. It repeated dose cause the sedation, therapeutic dose no effect on the respiration. On ANS, it produces the distinct anticholinergic actions like dryness of mouth, constipation, palpitation. On CVS, it produces the therapeutic dose, it shows mild hypotension, overdose may cause the cardiac arrhythmia. Adverse effect and anticholinergic disturbances. On CNS, it produces headache, drowsiness. On cardiovascular, tachycardia, bradycardia, are people skin rash also been observed. On lithium carbonate, then lithium carbonate and psychomimetic drugs. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries, and contact me.